happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hi! Hello sa lahat, sa aking mga co-admins, sa lahat ng members. Hello everyone. So, tonight, celebrate natin ang birthday ng ating pinakamamahal na host na si Sheng sa jail. Sis, happy birthday! I wish you all the best. And may you have many more candles to blow. Here are some messages from our admins and members. Let's start to our president, admin Rim Sandangan. This is for you, sis. Watch this.
Mga kababayan, sa group, proud to be Pinoy in Pinay. Maraming salamat sa inyo na buo ang group natin dahil sa suporta ninyo. Especially sa mga members and sisters and brothers. Unang-una, ipaano ko sa inyo, ako bilang, kahit na may posisyon ako, pantay-pantay tayo lahat. Huwag niyo isipin na ako na ganito, o kaya maging position na admin na sa room natin. Basta ang hinihingi ko, huwag niyo isipin na kami admin. Basta ang ano ko dito, pantay-pantay tayo lahat. Isa pa, pagmahalan tayo bilang kapatid at saka alang-alang sa kapwa ng Pilipino. Yan ang ano ko, basta magmahalan tayo, walang iwanan. Especially, greet ko kay admin Tis Cheng. Happy birthday, Manghod, sister, admin Cheng house ba yun? Sino pa yun? Nalimutan ko na yung family. Pasensya ka na, Manghod, medyo nalilita ko. Ngayon, hating gabi na, mag-greet ako sa iyo, happy birthday. Sana maging malakas ka. At saka wag mo isipin yung mga lahat ng mga nag-ano sa'yo, basta ang importante, nagmamahalan tayo. Huwag mo pansinin, basta nandito kami sa likod mo. Yan ang ano namin sa'yo. Maraming salamat. Okay na, bye, good night, good night.
Hi, Best! Happy birthday! I wish you many more birthdays to come. Have a good health always, more blessings in life, and Allah guide you always. And Best, thank you for choosing me as one of your friends. You are the good host in our room. You are sweet, continuous your good attitude. I'm proud of you as one of our admin hosts. Happy birthday. I love you. I miss you, Best.
Magandang gabi sa lahat, sa mga co-admins, mga members ng mga kulitans, especially kay admin host Shane sa my birthday ngayon. Sa nagbe-birthday ngayon, happy birthday Shane Langga, love you so much. Ingat lagi.
Hello po sa lahat, mga admins, may co-members at sa pinakamabait at maganda na team host. Walang iba kundi team host Shane.
Una sa lahat, happy birthday to you, Fishing. Hope many more birthdays to come in your life. I'm so happy to be part of this group, proud to be Pinoy and Pinay. Sana magiging masaya, matibay at matatag pa ang ating samahan kahit dito lang tayo nagkakilala at nagkikita sa linggol. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay tayong lahat, mga kulit. Yahoo! Gandang gabi po sa lahat na nandito sa Rome na nag-iipon-ipon. Ngayon po, sa gabi ito, maraming salamat po sa mga nandito dahil sa araw na ito, ipagdiriwang natin ang kaarawan ng ating pinakamamahal na host, si Admin Shing. At pinabati po natin, lahat po tayo at babati sa kanya ng happy birthday. Happy birthday, host. We love you. Yun lang.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat at kumusta kayo lahat sa Kulitan Room. Sasabihin. Kaya nga pala, happy birthday sa'yo, admin host, Ma'am Cheng. I hope na sana maging masaya ka sa kaarawan mo at patuloy kang maging inspirasyon sa tropa. Sana magtuloy-tuloy pa yung samahan natin sa Kulitan family. Ulit ko, happy birthday at more birthdays to come.
Hello, six hostess. I love you. Happy birthday, Tom. Mahal ka namin. At sana, hindi mo kami makakalimutan. Dot, I'm her. I'm love. Mansion. Happy birthday, si Tot. Many more birthdays coming to life and more happiness. God bless you always with your family. And hi all my members. Oh, mahal ko kayong lahat. Collect lahat. Birthday to you, tapos, ayun, ingat ka lagi, I love you so much.
Hi, Miss Zane, happy birthday, wish you all the best, and sana yung love life mo, sana patuloy pa rin, okay. Ganun lang.
Kasal mo, invite kami
Sana
huwag mo
nandun
kaming
kami.
kalimutan. Tapos sana, bago ka magpakasal, dapat andun tayo lahat sa Pinas. Lahat ng member at saka admin.
Ang tagal naman nun. Paano umabot na ng 2010, wala pa. 2020.
Ako yung abay, huwag mo kakalimutan.
Abay ka dyan, at mo akong abay, wag kasama ko.
Uy, birthday na.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Shane. Sorry. Yun.
Ano?
Sana still ma-beauty ka pa rin. Yun. Still.
Namin kiss.
Ayan o, sige
Oh,
kiss.
kiss ka na.
Flying kiss namin na.
Salit siya na.
Taligling akin. O sa akin sa lips, special yun. Sa legs, mas special yung sa akin. Sabi na, hindi daw sa lips, sa legs. Ay, pwede yun, pwede.
Lahat. Happy birthday sa iyo, sis admin host Shing. Hangad ko na maging masaya ka at punong-puno ng sigla sa iyong kaarawan. At huli, ay putulin mo si... Sana ba ako rin dati? Hangad ko na maging masaya ka at punong-puno ng sigla sa iyong kaarawan. At hiling ko na rin na sana maging maligaya ka at matagumpay sa iyong buhay. Sorry sa regalo, utang muna. Kasi wala akong pera. Today is a perfect day to tell you are a wonderful friend. Yun. Ano pa ba? So much, Sis Shing. Once again, kinabati kita ng happy birthday. At sana, mag-asawa ka na. At maka anak ng isang dosena. Ayun lang. Huwag kalimutan yung cake ko ha. Send via Kulitan Room lang.
Muna ako. Hello, Admin Cheng. Happy birthday. Pati. Happy birthday, Admin Cheng. Sana maging masaya ka. At many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Love you. Love you to all admins mo. Tama?
Kumusta kayong lahat sa Kulitan Room? Bro and sis. Lalong-lalo na si Ate Shen, happy birthday. I love you so much. Ate Shen, miss you.
Hi, Admin Ching. Happy birthday. I'll let you know in your birthday that our friendship is special. Here's the wasteful lifestyle and everything grind might have kept your interaction at the lowest, but we both know that we can never become excuses to weaken the band. We always been sharing. You are so very special, and so you're so very special birthday. Happy birthday, friend. Hope you more birthdays to come in your life. Good health and God bless you all. And sana yung grupo natin ay still ready na? Thank you so much for accepting me as one of your friend and Kulitan group. Sana maging strong pa ang grupo natin at sana maging masaya pa din. Walang pagbabago hanggang matatapos. And thank you so much. And happy birthday once again. Thank you.
Gabi sa inyo lahat sa Kulitan family. At itong gabi nito ay taos puso kong binabati ang ating host na si Sheng. Happy birthday. May God bless you always. Sana maging happy palagi, good health, and happy life. That's all.
To creator Shing, happy birthday to you. I wish you good health and enjoy the kulitan party every day. Sana mananatili tayong maging masaya sa kulitan. Yan lang.
One, two, three, go talaga, no? Hi, Sheng! Happy birthday! Ilan taon na pala siya? Ako tuloy. Anyway, happy birthday! God bless! And thanks for being a friend. And for the admin also. Wish you all the best. And please do take care. And ano ba? Lahat na. Best na lang. Wish you luck, and kailan ng party? Invite us. Take care. Bye-bye.
All members, admin of Kulitan Room. Hello sa inyo lahat. Kumusta? Especially sa ating birthday, admin of Sisteng. Wish namin lahat sana lalo pang sumaya ang kulitan. Wish you all the best and good luck. We love you. Thank you. Tama niya.
Hello sa lahat, Sushay and Shing, happy birthday. Yun lang. Yun na.
Hi po sa lahat, sa mga admin at sa mga members ng Kulitan family. Binabati ko po si admin o Shing sa birthday niya na sana marami pang dumating na mga bliss sa mga birthday. Sana marami pang malagpasan na mga problema, saka hi po, Admin Shing, happy birthday po. Marco Pulo Panipino po. Sure bro. Salamat.
Salam and good evening to brothers and sisters of the Kulitan family, and proud to be Pinoy and Pinay group. I would like to create a short birthday greetings to birthday celebrant to Admin Shing. Shing, for your birthday today, wishing you another year of love here, enjoying the fun surprises, love, and happiness. And when your birthday is done, you feel deep in your heart as your birthdays come and go. How very much you mean to us, more than you can know. Happy birthday, and hope your birthday's happy and your wishes will come true. And that everything that follows brings happiness to you. Birthday greetings from Muspar Ibrahim. And before I forgot, to brothers and sisters who are disguising to come and go, and the Kulitan Room who are usually doing unbecoming acts, please render a little respect for in whom spending their lazy time listening music, or having bonding with your friends. Observe respect to them. Your cooperation is highly appreciated. God bless and more power to all of us.
Hello everyone here in the Kulitan room. Kamusta kayang lahat? To all admin and members, especially to your host, admin Singh Sajid. Happy birthday, selamat sa inyong lahat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you.